Hello everyone, my name is Galaxy. In this episode I'm going to talk about the Kdenlive Studio, which is the video editor which is completely free and you can install it in the three platform Windows, Linux and Mac. Just go to the Kdenlive site. I'll put the link in the description, then you just download it. Alright, let's get started. You open the Kdenlive Studio. It just looks like this, and today I'm gonna just talk about the overview. I'm just gonna give you the basic overview of this studio. On the left pane you can see the project bin where you can import your images, videos, music, and on the bottom you can just put your videos, music, text, and later you can edit, clip, copy, anything you like to do. And also you can track your videos, clips over here with the project monitor. And to get started we need some videos, audio, or some files. So I'm just gonna go to some free site which is called Pixabay. I'll put the link in the description later for your use to play with it. So I'm just gonna choose the video tab and click one of the video and download one of the video. So for the audio I'll go to music and I will download one of the music, just clicking on it, and I'll save it. So I have got one video and one music. I can import this with the project Win support. You just right click on it and you can do add clip or folder, or you can go to here, add clip or folder, and from the project menu you can also add clip or folder. I'm just gonna add clip or folder from this, and I'm gonna import this one which I have downloaded before. Also I'm gonna just show you the another way, which is like you can just drag your music just like this and it will show in your project bin. So now you can just drag and drop on the track just like this one. This is the video track which has the video sign, and this is the audio track which has the audio sign in it. And you can just see your videos, clip monitor about how does it looks like. You can play it and the clip will play. You can stop and you can just adjust your audio just by pulling to the left from the corner, and you just hit the play. This is just the basic, and if you want to render or you want some output from the video editing tools like this, then you just go to project and there will be the render option. Just render, and for the YouTube videos, something like that, you can name the file, just name it test, Galaxy test, or if you like to put in another folder, of your choice, you can just do it from this. If you want to save your file to the folder of your choice, just click on this. And for personally, I use this one, mp4 S264 AAC, because it supports many of the players supports this, including YouTube, and I always use this. And you choose the full project, because this will render your full project from here to here. Then you click on the render to file, and it will just render your videos. Alright, so to see your videos rendered on your specific folder, just go to your folder. I have saved it in movies folder, so here is the video. You can see it's playing, and this is just the overview of the Kdenlive video. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, if you feel that this video helps you to get basic understanding of the Kdenlive, then you can subscribe my channel so I could make more videos like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.